today what we're gonna do is get this Ford Fusion ready for Dreamers or Drift round 2. The biggest thing is it's really hot outside and I want to be able to be comfortable, so I'm trying to fix this AC. I found out my leak was this tube going into the evaporator had a crack in the flare. I tried welding it and failed miserably. But what I do have is this old Ford Fusion line which has the same flare on it. So before I go try to order one, because I don't know when it will show up, I am going to cut this flare off and try to weld it on. So I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'm gonna try it, and if it doesn't go that way, then I'll just order a new line and it is what it is. But yeah, the rest of the car is running pretty good. We are having an overboost code, so we're gonna get with Jem-sport and see if we can update the tune a little bit to fix that. Okay, so I got this welded. It actually looks pretty good, so I'm happy with it. As long as it don't leak, we're good. So I'm gonna have to cap this and put some pressure and just do a simple feel around. And yeah, I was lucky enough that the Fusion one was actually a little bit bigger, so I was actually able to push it over the top of this tube, and so it welded really nice. We finally have vacuum. I did a hold on it, she didn't drop. My weld looked pretty decent, I guess. So hopefully the electronics work and it'll be nice and comfortable. She'll be a true daily. Okay, so I'm super pumped. I got the AC working. The biggest problem that I had was this compressor is actually a variable like rate compressor. So it's got 2 solenoids in it. So the second solenoid has to be actuated too. Usually the ECU would actuate it, but there's a connector in there for the solenoid, then there's one in there for the clutch, and then there's also one in that connector for the fan. So I ran those over to here. This is gonna go to our trinary switch. You got a ground for the compressor and the solenoid, then for the fan, and I just grounded these out on the block over there and ran it. We got the AC to suck down this whole bottle, so the AC is charged and it's blowing super cold. This wire right here is ran into the cab. I got a nice little light up button, so it's gonna be like an old school car where you press the button and it turns the AC on. Unfortunately, there's no other way to do it because of the CAN bus, but we're gonna have AC. So all that stuff, the switches and the button should be in tomorrow. Just run, basically hook those up and she should work. Sick. All right, we're here at Dreamers of Drift round 2 with the Fusion. All the homies are here. It's gonna be a great time. We're gonna do a bunch of practice with Max and his Z, and hopefully we get on the podium again. So let's go do some practice and make sure this thing still rips, because I hope I fixed it. It's the buddy. What do you have to say for yourself? You're blocking people.
Yeah.
What kind of show are you running around here?
Shit show.
Good.
Yeah, there you go. dog. That's crazy. Wow. You calling me fat?
Yeah. Party laps. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna let her cool down. Just tired.
I'm just excited.
I know.
Oh my god, I'm terrible.
Your Mustang.
No, not at all. It's so different.
I told you.
It steers amazing though.
It's way better.
Oh, it steers so good. Oh my god. I'm just terrible. The seat, dude, you gotta get a seat in this thing.
No, I don't even float. I'm fat.
You're crazy. Dude, take me for a ride.
Yeah.
Tell me how it's done, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're floating the car. You gotta drive out a little bit.
Right. No, that was complete terrible driving.
Oh no, it's your first lap.
I'm so glad to feel the steering though. It self-steers perfect.
I told you.
Oh, dude.
This is my rack with Wisefab. I'm like, what?
Yeah, you're driving the shit out of it. It's not like
it's not a V8.
Right.
I mean, yours still makes pretty good torque though. This thing with no boost is like...
Yeah, I know. It's a dog. Oh my god, dude.
This thing's so sick. I love it.
I like how you drive it, man. That was sweet.
Yeah, people, when I was in club, they're like, you're just clutch kicking the out of it. I'm like, not really. Like, I'm just keeping it in boost.
Right. Yeah, whatever you got to do to keep it in boost.
Right.
Exactly. Throttle down. Dude, this thing is insane.
So I like it. It's got a spring to hold it tight.
And then it's got like, dude, this is like fancy. This whole...
That's what I'm saying. The spring holds it tight. So it like goes all the way to the top.
It's so smooth.
We did probably 8 or 10 laps and they all went really good. We're gonna throw a fresh set of tires on before comp. Hopefully we'll get some time to scrub them in. And we're ready to take the podium again today, boys. Let's get it. Okay, so we're getting ready for our first battle. It's with Gail and her M3. Pretty pumped. It's Vadim's wife. They helped me on the team. Vadim trying to seduce me. And it's gonna be a good time, so it's gonna be close. tried. It looked like Gale is not doing very good in the chase though.
I boofed it!
Alright, just pull out onto the track and we'll start with the basics. See, you're already spinning tires. Perfect. Go to like an edge. Do you feel more comfortable going right or left? Okay. I like going left. So we're going to try to do circles left. So stop. So we're going to start off already spinning the tires so you don't have to like initiate. So just do exactly what you just did, except floor it after. Just floor it, let off the clutch, and then do a circle. So now you get it, right? The back's turning more than the you're gonna wanna do it, and you turn left to get the car going left, then you turn right to open the circle up. Like your circle that you just did was very tight. You wanna do a bigger circle. So you turn right into it to make the circle bigger.
But like, do I tell them not?
No, just slowly turn it right and it will slowly open the circle up. So get the car positioned, because you're like in the middle, right?
Do I start here?
Sure, that's perfect. So now, do you understand kind of how to get the car to like transfer and change? Go around the circle to get a feel of what it is.
Go around like that?
Yeah. Probably go in the next one so there's no pull. Pretty wide, right?
Yeah.
So, what I want you to do is while you're rolling like this, see where your wheel is turned? I want you to do the clutch dump again, like you've been doing, and I want you to turn the wheel to the right the same amount. Let it turn to the right fast. You're letting the back steer the car too much. So the second the car starts coming out in the back, throw the wheel the other way.
Okay, so when I actually start turning, I have to do this.
Yes.
I'll try. I do the second.
Yep.
So I clutch.
Flooring. Why you trying to show you, like,
Yeah, I was looking at what you were doing, but it doesn't.
this guy's trying to go, so let him go. You want to go again or not? Huh?
Going back to the pit.
Okay. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. Dreamers of Drift was absolutely awesome. It was cool to go out there and hang out with the buddies and just drive and have a good time. And then, unfortunately, I spun behind Gale. I just did some silly stuff, but it is what it is. And we went out and had some more fun. And then I was actually able to get Alex in the car to try doing a little bit of drifting, mostly just burnouts, but you gotta start somewhere, and why not do it on a dead set of tires in a random four-door family sedan that's not supposed to do donuts. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in a couple Thursdays.